Gardening is more than just growing plants. It's a creative and sustainable way to breathe new life into everyday objects. By incorporating recycled materials into your home garden, you can reduce waste, save money, and craft a truly unique outdoor space. Repurposing discarded items not only adds character, but also makes gardening more accessible and eco-friendly. Whether you're using old containers as planters or crafting garden art from scrap materials, recycling enhances your garden while benefiting the environment. Embracing this approach means contributing to a greener planet and inspiring others to do the same. The magic of recycling in gardening. Recycling in gardening is about turning waste into wonder. Instead of buying expensive garden decor and tools, you can repurpose everyday objects into functional and decorative pieces. An old wooden ladder can become a stylish plant stand, while worn-out tires can be upcycled into eye-catching planters. This approach not only saves money, but also prevents unnecessary waste from ending up in landfills. Additionally, involving children in these projects teaches them valuable lessons about sustainability, creativity, and environmental responsibility. 2. Repurposing old containers into stylish planters. One of the simplest and most effective ways to incorporate recycled materials into your garden is by transforming old containers into planters. Mason jars, tin cans, ceramic bowls, and even chipped teapots can serve as charming plant homes. With a little imagination, these everyday objects can be given a second life. Just drill small drainage holes, fill them with soil, and plant your favorite herbs, succulents, or flowers. This method not only adds personality to your garden, but also keeps non-biodegradable waste out of landfills. 3. Creating vertical gardens with recycled materials. For those with limited space, vertical gardening is an excellent solution, and recycled materials are perfect for building them. Plastic bottles can be cut and mounted onto walls to create a cascading garden, while wooden pallets can be converted into vertical planters. This space-saving technique is ideal for balconies, terraces, and small urban gardens. By using recycled materials, you reduce waste while maximizing greenery in even the smallest of spaces. 4. Crafting raised garden beds from wooden pallets and scrap wood. Raised garden beds are a fantastic way to grow plants with better soil control, and they can be easily constructed using reclaimed wood. Wooden pallets and scrap timber from old furniture or construction sites can be repurposed to create sturdy and cost-effective raised beds. This not only helps reduce deforestation, but also extends the life of materials that would otherwise be discarded. Raised beds made from recycled materials provide excellent drainage, improve soil structure, and can be tailored to fit any garden layout. 5. Transforming plastic bottles into useful garden tools. Plastic waste is a major environmental issue, but it can be given a second purpose in your garden. With a few simple modifications, plastic bottles can be turned into watering cans, seedling trays, or even bird feeders. To create a DIY watering can, simply pierce small holes in the bottle cap. For a seedling tray, cut bottles in half and use the bottom section to plant seeds. These budget-friendly solutions reduce plastic waste while making your gardening tasks easier and more efficient. 6. Adding a creative touch with recycled garden art. Recycled materials can be used to create unique decorative elements that enhance the visual appeal of your garden. Old CDs can serve as reflective bird deterrents, while colored glass bottles can be arranged to form beautiful borders or garden pathways. Broken ceramic tiles or plates can be repurposed into mosaic stepping stones, adding a personal and artistic touch to your outdoor space. These creative projects not only reduce waste, but also turn discarded items into one-of-a-kind garden features. 7. Upcycling old tires into eye-catching garden features. Tires are often discarded, but they can be transformed into stunning garden elements. A coat of bright paint can turn an old tire into a vibrant planter, or multiple tires can be stacked to create a tiered garden bed. Additionally, tires can be used to craft swings or seating areas, adding both function and charm to your outdoor space. By upcycling tires, you prevent them from ending up in landfills while adding a playful and creative touch to your garden. 8. Using scrap metal for garden structures. Scrap metal, such as old pipes, bed frames, or wire mesh, can be repurposed into strong and durable garden structures. Wire mesh can be shaped into trellises for climbing plants, while old bed frames make excellent supports for vertical gardens. Metal pipes can be used to construct garden arches or sturdy plant holders. These upcycled structures provide long-lasting support for vegetables like beans and cucumbers, while also reducing the need for new metal production. 9. Environmental benefits of recycling in gardening. Recycling in gardening has far-reaching environmental benefits. It reduces the demand for new materials, conserves natural resources, and minimizes landfill waste. By repurposing discarded items, you lower greenhouse gas emissions associated with manufacturing new products. Additionally, using recycled materials often eliminates the need for chemically treated gardening supplies, promoting a healthier ecosystem. Choosing to recycle in your garden is a simple yet impactful step toward a more sustainable lifestyle. 10. Embracing a sustainable gardening mindset. Incorporating recycled materials into your garden encourages a mindset of sustainability and resourcefulness. It inspires you to see potential in everyday objects and rethink waste as an opportunity for creativity. This approach can also influence your community, inspiring others to adopt eco-friendly gardening practices. Sharing your upcycled garden project spreads awareness and fosters a culture of innovation and environmental responsibility. Bonus tip: get creative with what you already have. Before discarding household items, consider how they might be repurposed in your garden. An old bicycle can become a charming plant stand, and worn-out shoes can be used as quirky planters. Even broken tools can be transformed into rustic garden ornaments. These creative touches not only add personality to your garden, but also reinforce the idea that sustainability can be both practical and beautiful. Join us in creating a greener future. Thank you for exploring the world of recycled gardening with us. By choosing to repurpose and recycle, you're not just reducing waste, you're creating a garden that tells a story. Every small step towards sustainability makes a big difference in protecting our planet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly gardening tips. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.